Hello friends, through this video we are introducing about wrap text in Microsoft Excel. Wrap text in Excel if you want to display long text on multiple lines in a single cell. Wrap text automatically or enter a manual line break. So for wrap text automatically. For example, take a look at the long text string in cell A1. Below, cell B1 is empty. You can on the home tab, in the alignment group, click wrap text. In the alignment group, click wrap text. Then result is, click on the right border to the column, a header, and drag the separator to increase the columns. Okay. Double click the bottom border of the row 1 header to automatically adjust the row height. Now if you manually set a row height by clicking on the bottom border of a row header and dragging the separator, Excel does not change the row height when you click the wrap text button. Simply double click the bottom border of a row header to fix this. Enter an extra long text string in cell B1 and wrap the text in this cell. That by default Excel aligns text to the bottom. Okay, select the cell A1 on the home tab. In the alignment group, click top align. Okay. How to set a manual line break in Microsoft Excel. For example, double click cell A1. Place your cursor at the location where you want to the line break. Press Alt Enter. To remove a manual line break, double click a cell, place your cursor at the beginning of the line and press backspace. Okay. Through this video we are introducing about wrap text in Microsoft Excel. Wrap text in Excel, if you want to display long text on multiple lanes in a single cell. Through this video we are introduced to wrap text automatically and enter a manual line break. Okay, for watching this video, thank you very much.